Ukulele lesson for beginners number 3, holding the ukulele. So it's important to hold the ukulele in the proper way, especially if you're practicing for any length of time. You want to make sure that you're comfortable, first of all. Seated is a great option if you don't have a strap. So if you don't have a strap, what you're going to do is you're going to want to hold your ukulele up fairly high like this on the chest area. And what I do is I have my soprano ukulele here is I hold it with my right hand down, support it with my fingers like this, and then I can also support it with my fretting or left hand here. This way you can use your thumb for strumming. You're going to also use your forearm to hold the ukulele in place. If you don't have a strap, it's kind of limiting because you have to support the ukulele with your fretting hand here. And if you want to move up the neck, it kind of moves the ukulele around, which isn't great. So what I recommend is to get a strap. And on this ukulele here, this is a tenor, I have these strap buttons here and I screwed them in. I bought these on Amazon. This one here and this one on the back. You'd screw it in on the bottom here and right in the neck area. And you just attach the strap. But if you don't want to go that route and screw into your ukulele, what you can do is this. You can get some duct tape. Check this out. All right, and I measured my strap. It was 36 inches, which is around 91 centimeters. What you're gonna do is you're gonna rip off a long piece of duct tape like this, okay? It's a little DIY hack here. And then you're gonna fold this in half. This would be a lot better if I was using a table. I recommend using a table. Just gonna fold this lengthwise. It's not perfect, but whatever, it's duct tape. This might actually be a little short, but that's okay. And so you fold it in half so that you're getting rid of the sticky parts, okay? So there's no sticky parts, because you don't want to actually stick to you, because this is gonna go over your shoulder. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna tear off another small piece, actually 2 small pieces, and I'm just gonna stick this here for now. And right on the bottom here, or on the bottom here, you're gonna hold one side, and you're gonna tape that down, all right? So it looks like that. And then I'm gonna tape the other end right here on the bottom of the neck. Like this. Put another piece of tape right here. Didn't make it quite long enough. Probably be better for you if you're a child. And there you go, DIY strap. Thanks for watching this lesson. Make sure you follow and like this so you don't miss the next lesson in this series.